Hello everyone, welcome back. Up on the bench today we have a NV273 transfer case out of a 2004 Ford F350. Another electronic shift unit. Today we're going to take it apart and see what's inside. We're going to start by removing the output flanges, which is 1.5 inches in the back. Up on the front, 1 1/8 inches. We're going to get on to pulling this rear bearing support off, 13 mil, and we'll need a little extension for it. We've got some fluid coming out now, and it looks black. Old output seal and the free housing. Look at the size of the main shaft on that. That's huge. Huge oil pump too. Okay, let's get the case half split. It's a 10 mil all the way around. This transfer case was behind a 5R110 and a 6-liter Powerstroke. Try our pry bar method again. There we go. And there's the inside of that. Front output sprocket, shift forks and collar, main shaft and its sprocket. Let's keep going. Let's work on getting the main shaft out of here. To do that, we're going to pull our pickup out, and then the oil pump slides off, and we've got a big snap ring back here. A big old snap ring off of there. Out slides our main shaft. Okay, now let's work on this half. This was an electric shift transfer case. We can pull out our collars. There we go. Just now getting the shift motor off. That little top, it's our shift ratchet, and the detent spring for it. And there's our front output shaft and sprocket. And likely behind this is the snap ring for our planetary. So we'll pop this seal out as well. And exactly what I said. We've got our snap ring now inside. Remove that, and that planetary will drop. Huge all planetary gear set. So I think we're just going to leave the ring gear in there. But with that, we've got a completely disassembled 273. So let's get everything cleaned up and set on the bench. Now that everything's cleaned and laid out, let's go over all the parts. We've got our front half of the case, our input planetary, our huge main shaft, our output shaft, or front output shaft, the chain, the shift motor, the shift collars and forks, along with the shift ratchet and detent. We've got the oil pickup and pump, the rear bearing support, the rear half of the case hardware, and the front and rear output flanges. If you're interested in any of these parts, or need anything to get your daily back on the road or your project underway, check out the Valorous Wrecking eBay store. Links will be up above and in the description. Thank you very much for watching.